Yo, yo, yo. Back with another one. Let's talk about EDC. Top 5 EDC carry items. Number 5, power bank. You already know. You got to be able to charge up your gadgets, your woots, and whatever, your phone, your vibrators, whatever you need to charge up, right? You got to be able to charge up your gadgets and your gadgets. Keep a power bank, keep the cords. Pretty self-explanatory. Number 5 on my list. Okay? Number 5 on my top 5. Alrighty? Don't leave home without it. Put it in your pack outs, put it in your backpack, put it in your car, put it wherever you need to. Okay? EDC, over and out.